In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of your Toyota plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, or PHEV. Use the My Toyota app to set cabin temperature and defrost while charging, so your PHEV is ready when you are. Your car always starts in EV mode when it has sufficient charge, so you don't miss out on the benefits of electric-only driving. On the motorway or uphill, switch to hybrid or HV mode to save battery power for urban driving. Or simply select Auto EV HV and the car will pick the best driving mode for you. Regeneration Boost provides a single pedal-like driving experience using the accelerator and also recharges the battery. When you lift off the accelerator, Regeneration Boost actively slows the car without you pressing the brakes. This smooth transition to deceleration makes it easier to drive in traffic and recovers energy that charges the battery. How did you drive today? Check your score in the My Toyota app and get personalised tips. Finally, charge as often as possible to maximise your EV driving.